What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready to fill our 14-15 Upper Deck the Cup case break. This mini has the last 4 spots up for grabs, so good luck. We're starting right away. Teams are going to be done live, and let's get this on the road. It is 7:06, good to turn 7:07. Top 3 names are taking home spots here. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 7:07. 7:07 it is. Last and final, top 3 you're looking for, and we have Verno taking home 2 spots, Brian 1, and Colby 1. Congrats, guys. 2, 7, and 3 done it for you. Let me get you the last timestamp. We'll get you tagged in like literally right away, and then we're going to get started because I got to head for a game of poker here soon. 7:07 and 7:07. Congrats again, guys. 2, 7, and 3. Verno, Brian, Colby. We'll see you for the break. Good luck, guys.